Hello everyone. In this session we will be going through the Go Rapid Food platform, which caters to the need of on-demand food delivery industry. We'll be exploring four key components on the platform, that is admin panel, restaurant panel, customer application and driver app. So let's start with the admin first. So starting on the dashboard, we can see the statistics for the last 7 days in the dashboard. You can see the total orders placed in the platform for the last 7 days, total revenue, total customers, and you can see the total last 7 days revenue in the graphical representation. And here we can also see the order status of refund and cancelled in a pie chart. Now move on to the below section. Here you can see the latest customers on the platform that has been registered with the name, email ID, mobile number, status, and registered date. And now moving on to the customer section. On the customer section, admin can view all the records of the customers who are registered or added by the admin to the platform. Admin can filter the results by the status covering active, inactive, and blocked customers. Admin can also search the customers' name records through the search bar available over here, and admin can also import and export the data of the customers. And now we can see the below sections in this customer panel. Here admin can see the name of the customer, the email ID, the mobile number, the status, and register date of the customer. Admin can also do some actions from the action button. Admin can view the details of the customers and delete the details of the customers. Now on the view details section, if I click on it, admin will be able to view the name of the customer, the image of the customer, the member since date when they have created their account at the platform, their status, and the ratings received from the driver. Admin can also block the customer and unblock it from this section. And admin can see the transaction over here from the customer. To view the transaction, we have to click on the transaction link, and here admin will be able to view all the transaction that has been done from the customer side. Now moving on to the next thing, admin can see the full name, the details of the customer, the personal information, along with the email ID, wallet amount, and loyalty points the customer has earned. Admin can also edit the customers from this, edit the personal information of the customer from this section. And now moving further, we can see that the completed orders of this customer, the total amount spent, the average order value the customer has done. And here we can see all the orders done by the customer along with the order ID, vendor, for which vendor the customer has done the order, the total cost the customer has spent, and the status and that of the particular order. Here we can see that the status has been cancelled, and the created date of the customer along with the timings. Admin can click on the view details and click on the total amount and total product information, order information. Here we can see the order has been cancelled and the status on bar, and along with that we can see the payment method the customer has done, that is cash on delivery. And we can also click on the refund section, and admin will be able to fill the amount of all the stakeholders over here and refund the customer if the customer has put the dispute. Here we can see the product information the customer has ordered, like we can see momos and one piece, and there's some add-ons as well, and so we can see the add-ons the customer has done. Now here you can see the bill amount of the total order along with the delivery fees, tax and fees charges, and the order amount. Moving further, we can see the restaurant the customer has ordered from, the name of the restaurant, the mobile number, email address, ratings received by the restaurant, the pickup location of the restaurant. Along with that we can see the customer details, and with the name, mobile number, email ID, delivery address, area, house number, and landmark. Now moving further on the customer section, we can see that the admin can also add a new customer from by clicking on this add customer section. Admin can put the name, the code, the mobile number, the email ID of the customer, and generate the password for it. Admin can also toggle the section active and inactive for the customers, and also upload the image and submit it. Now moving further to the driver section. In this section, we can see the admin can view the records of all the drivers who have registered directly on the platform or are added by the admin to the platform. Admin can filter the status in the platform by clicking on the approved, rejected, and blocked driver. Admin can also view the data of the drivers by name, email ID, mobile number, status, online status, that is offline or online, the driver is, the total balance, register date, and actions. Admin can click on the view details and see the actions. Admin can approve or reject. There is the verification of the driver. Admin can see the total orders the driver has completed, the total earnings. In my orders, admin can see the order ID or the driver has been assigned to, the customer name, the vendor, the earnings, the total cost, the status of the order, and date of the order. Along with that, we can see the admin can have the ability to edit the information of the driver with the name, email, mobile number, email address, and location. Admin can also view the vehicle information and KYC details and edit the information from his side. Here we can see the bank account the driver has linked one, along with the account number, account name, bank name, and routing number. Now moving on further, admin has the ability to create the new driver by clicking on the add new driver section. Admin can put the name of the driver, the mobile number, the email address, the address of the driver, the account number, account name, bank name, and routing number of the driver. And admin can also create the password of the driver. Admin can see the status approved and disapproved by clicking on this toggle section. Admin can also manage the commission of the driver by clicking on this. Admin can we can see that there are two options, global and override. So override is basically that the admin has put a specific percentage of commission for this particular driver, and if we click on the global commission, so that's the global commission for other drivers that the admin has put. Admin can also upload the image of the driver and click on the submit option. Now this is the overview of the driver section. Now moving on to the dispatcher section. Here, by clicking on the dispatcher section, we can see the track records and requests through the dispatcher section. By clicking on the listing, we can able to view the new request that has been come on the dispatcher section, the current request, and their status. So we can see the name, the order total, the customer, the service type, the status, and store type created on. An admin can also take some actions by clicking on this action button. Admin can also view the cancel request, the complete request, the drivers available right now on the platform, the driver cancelled, en route, new request, and vendor cancel from this section. Coming on to the map view, here we can admin has the authority to view the map view over here of the driver, the total drivers available on the map. On the new request, admin can view the map view and satellite view by clicking on this button over here. Now coming to the dispute section, here we can see admin can view the dispute which are raised by the customers in the platform along with the below details like booking ID, dispute, reason, status, created at, and admin can take the following actions and view the details over here. Admin can view the details of the order, the user who had put the dispute, the status, and user mobile number. Admin has the authority to mark it close and solve the dispute of the customer. Now further moving on to the restaurant section. Here we can see the list of all the restaurants available over here. Admin can filter the restaurants by clicking on the filter section, and admin can able to view the approved, rejected and blocked restaurants from, and admin can will be able to search the restaurant by clicking on the search bar. Admin can also import and export the data of the restaurants by clicking on the import and export button. Admin will be able to create the add new restaurant by clicking on add new restaurant section. Admin will be able to put the name of the restaurant, the business name, the mobile number, the email address, the address of the restaurant, and password. Create the password. Admin can approve and disapprove the restaurant by clicking on this toggle button. Admin will be able to upload the image of the feature image of the restaurants along with the banner image. Click on the submit button. Here we can see the total restaurants along with their details: name, email ID, mobile number, status, balance, created ad, and also admin will be able to take the following actions: delete the restaurant and view the details of the restaurant. By clicking on the view details section, we can see the profile of the restaurant along with their name, member since, status, rating, received from the customers. Admin will be able to block the restaurant by clicking on this block button. Admin will be able to see the transactions of the restaurant by clicking on the transaction button, and admin will be able to view the promo code the restaurant has created. And here we can see the total orders of the restaurant, total earnings, total wallet balance. Now coming to the personal information, admin will be able to view the personal information of the restaurant by like the business name, mobile number, email ID, location. By clicking on the settings option, admin will be able to view the following information: profile information along with the bank account information of the restaurant. Admin will be able to view the timings of the orders and minimum order value of the restaurant. Admin will be able to see the average price per person over here of the restaurant. Here we can see the time slots available on the restaurant on a particular day. Like on Sunday, we can see the restaurant is available from 11 a.m. to 11:54 p.m. and admin has the authority to approve and disapprove the availability of the time slots of the restaurant. Now further moving on to the order section. Here you can see the list of all the orders created on this platform by the customers. Admin will be able to view all the orders. Admin will be able to filter the sections by viewing pending orders, confirmed orders, completed orders, cancelled orders. Admin will be able to search a particular customer or vendor name over here from the search bar and view the details of the order. Now here the detailed view, we can see the order ID, the customer name, the vendors from which the customer has ordered from the platform, the cost of the total order, the refund status, the date of the order. Admin will be able to also view the details of the order by clicking on view details section. Admin can see the products that the customer has ordered, the total value, the order amount, the tax and fees percentage. Admin will be able to view the restaurant information over here. Admin can see the driver details over here. Here are the customer details along with their delivery address, area, and house number and landmark information. From this section, admin can view the status of this order. As we can see, the status is refunded for the customer. Now moving on further, here's the bird eye view option available over here. From here, admin can enter the address and view all the available and busy drivers in a map at the selected address. Admin can assign any pending booking to the available drivers. They will receive the request and it is up to them to accept or decline the order. Admin will be able to see the busy drivers over here in the map view. Now moving on to the promotions. The admin can add promotional banners which are available on the home screen of the customer. Admin will be able to view the name of the promotion banner, the status, the date which on which it has been created at. Admin can view the following actions, take the following actions. Admin will be able to edit and delete the information. So if I click on this edit section, we can see the name of the banner, the vendor information, the status, and the image of the particular promotional banner. Admin will also be able to create the promotions by clicking on add promotion section. Admin will be able to put the name of the promotional banner, the vendor it has been affiliated to, the status along with the image, and click on the submit button, and it will be reflected on the front end of the customer. Now moving on to the promo code section. I'll take this after explaining geofencing. So let's move further. Let's move to the reports. So here we can see the admin can select the date range of the order. Like I have selected from 7th February to 2 March, and I can see the order reports in the bar graph over here, and can see when the order has been generated by the customers and what are the total orders on available date. I can also as an admin filter by weekly status and monthly status of the orders from the report section. Admin can also see the bar graph of the total order status over here, like the refunded, the completed orders, the cancelled, and the pending orders. Admin can also view the revenue reports and of orders on a particular date and week, and monthly wise as well. Now moving on to the customer reports, here admin will be able to select a date range of and view the customer reports. Admin will be able to view the total customers registered on a particular date. Now here's the accounting section. Let's move on to the accounting section. So here admin will be able to view the transactions of the total amount done on this platform. Like I can see the time over here, the type debit, the amount debited from my account, the total earnings I have, description of the transaction. Admin will be able to click on the view details and view the transaction type. By clicking on the order button, admin will be able to redirect to the orders for which the transaction has been done. And admin can also export the reports of this transaction. Now here we can see the withdrawal transaction, and admin will be able to filter out the withdrawal transaction by clicking on a particular date range. So here we can see the timings, the name, the type, and the amount description along with the action button. So moving on further to the system access. So this section is useful when the admin wants to give a specific role, permission of the admin panel to the users in the admin organization. So let's first create the role by clicking on the add subadmin. Here I can put the name of the person, the mobile number, the email ID, the address, the password, and I can select the role of a particular for this particular person to whom I want to assign this. I can see the status of I can view click on the status button and click on the active and deactivate that person for the specific role. Admin will be able to add the profile image by clicking on this image section and submit the information. Now, clicking on the role section, I can see the different roles that the admin has created on the sub-admin section. So I can see the name of the role, the status of the role, the date the role has been created, and admin has the authority to edit and delete the particular role for the section. Like I have clicked in the edit section, I can see the status over here that is active. I can see the customers, the permissions that the admin has given to the particular role. Now moving on to the marketing section. So on the marketing section is where the admin can add campaigns, add templates for the campaigns, and promote the platform. The promotion can be done via email, SMS, and push notification. The unique feature here is that the admin can select whether to run the campaign for the customers, drivers, or vendors. Admin can select whether say email will be shared to customers who are registered before the selected date range and schedule the date for the campaign. So I can see over here that this admin has been created by the admin, and the template of the admin, the status, the schedule date, the schedule information. As an admin, I can able to edit this information. I can see the name, the template type. I can select the template type like email, SMS, and push notification. I can select the audience type over here, like customers, vendors, and drivers to whom the template has been forwarded, the schedule date for this particular template. Admin has also the ability to add the campaigns. Clicking on the add section, admin can put the name of the campaign, the template type, select the template, the audience, and also the audience I can select over here for the customers, for drivers, for vendors, like if they have registered before, registered after, and ordered before. I can select the date for this particular campaign. I can schedule the date for this particular campaign template. Now moving on to the campaign template. Here I can see the admin has created the templates for the customers, vendors, and drivers. As I can see the first template, new offer, that the admin has created, and I can see the template type, that is SMS, the status of the template, and the creation date of the template. And as an admin will be able to edit and delete this template from my side. Let's click on the edit section, and I can see that the offer name, the template type, the title of the template, and the description. I can also add and click on this add campaign template and able to create a template for the customers of any other users. So next is the configuration. So in this configuration section, admin can control the platform even more efficiently. Admin can manage the content of the pages like privacy policy, terms and conditions, about us information. However, the admin cannot add a new page but can entirely control the existing pages. Admin can also manage the FAQs from the section, the cuisines that needs to be reflected on the platform, and also the email templates, the document templates, the geofencing and terminology, the theme setting of the website and of the platform, the website menu, the gallery, and the store settings. Also admin can also click on the order setting sections and change the order settings of the on the website. Now here I can click on you can see that the cuisine section. So if I click on the cuisine section, I will be able to view the name, status of the cuisine, and the creation date of the cuisine, and admin will be able to view take the following actions. Admin will be able to delete the cuisine or able to edit this. So if I click on the edit section, I can see the image and the status of the particular cuisine, and I will be able to click on this status and create this cuisine inactive. Admin can also export the data of the cuisines available on this platform. As an admin, I can also add the cuisine by clicking on the name and the feature image, the status, and submit it, and which will be reflected on the front end. Now moving on to the FAQ section, here you can see the total number of FAQs the admin has created for the users to get a better idea of the platform. Now moving further to content type, content pages. So here we can see the total number of content pages available on the platform, and I can also filter the content pages by clicking on the active and inactive status. As an admin, I will be able to click on the search bar and view the particular content. Now over here, the listing, I can see the listing of contents along with their content type, the status, the creation. I can also view the details of the content from this section, like the title, the SEO settings, the image URL, the social media URLs. I will also be able to create a new section by clicking on add section. I can admin also can also select a particular content type, the templates, and manage the status over here of the particular section. Here are the now moving on to the email templates. As we have seen above, the template sections. So here are the email templates that the admin has created to send to the customers, and to the drivers, and to the vendors. And over here we can see that the customers templates over here, the customer sign in template, the request password, change password template, order confirmation email templates over here. Now moving further to the document templates, admin will be able to view the document templates for the vendors and the drivers. Admin will be also able to filter the status of the templates. Admin can search the template type and name from the search bar. Admin can also click on the add new document template and create a particular template for the particular user. Now here's the geofencing section from in the settings option. As an admin, I will be able to view the geofencing I have created for all the users over here. I can able to filter this geofencing by clicking on active and inactive status. I'll be able to search on the search bar and view the details of the geofencing that we have created. As an admin, I will be able to view, click on the add geofencing section, write the information over here, select the labels. Like over here I can select the area for the particular geofencing, select the module, view the location that I have selected, the radius in kilometers, and I can submit this and it will be created for the particular users, and all the users will be able to see the particular restaurants or the the drivers. They will be able to get the request from this particular location on the geofencing section. Now moving on to the terminology, here I can see the terminology section, the language that has been used on the platform. Admin will be able to change the language by clicking on this language section. Here we can see that there are 4 languages available on this platform, and for the particular language I can able to select the user type, like customers, drivers, orders, and trips. Here we can see the different sections of the language. We will be able to change the particular language or the terminology by writing the information of the updated language information, Like over here I have written you can choose up to, or I can change this that you can select up to, and it will be reflected on the front end. Now moving on to the theme settings. Here as an admin, I will be able to view the themes, the primary color, the primary front end color of the platform, the ability to change the particular theme on the website, the app look and feel, the primary front color, the secondary front color. I'll be able to view the font colors of the website. Over here we can, admin will be able to view the preview of the logo that will be shown to the customer, and select the header style. Over here the top bar, here we can see the content page information over here for the admin that will be reflected on the front end. The navigation, the body wrapper, the buttons, button colors, icon colors, hyperlinks, slide menu, footer, cookie policies, background color image, and able to click on the save changes by changing the particular theme settings, and it will be reflected on the front end of the website and the application. Here we can see the website menu. So this is the menu that will be reflected on the website that the customer will be able to view. So here I can see the top menu. As an admin will be able to click on the view details and see the top menu options that has been reflected on the front end. Admin will also be able to create a new section by clicking on the add new section button. Now moving on to the add gallery section. So here's the gallery that is for the personal use of the admin. Admin will be able to upload any image from this particular gallery just for in case in future or any other personal use. It is not reflected on the front end. It has no further use, just for the use of admin. Now moving on to the store settings. Here we can see the store settings that of a particular store that has been created by the admins. Here we can see the general settings of the store name, the country, the address of the store, the time zone, the currency. Here we can see there are two currencies available, so I can select USD or INR. That will be reflected on the front end. The languages, as I have been seeing 4 languages available, which will be reflected on the front end. The distance unit, kilometers or miles, admin will be able to select. The remove branding option, the languages option, and as an admin I can see that I can allow vendors to auto accept the order, or I can assign from my side and allow vendors to auto cancel the order. The toggle button, as an admin I have the authority to do that from the backend panel. I can see the cash on delivery wallet limit of a particular set store. I can set the cash on delivery order limit, and here's the payment method. So over here we have we have Stripe on our platform, so we can see the payment mode, like it's sandbox, so it's in testing phase, like it's not live. So if I click on this live button, it will be on the live section, live, and here we can see this all the information of Stripe along with the secret key, secret publish key, live secret key, live publish key, and here are all other payment gateways that has been on the platform. So admin will be able to click on a particular payment gateway, write the merchant ID, public keys, private keys, and all other keys, and it will be reflected on the front end during the payment method option. As an admin I can able to select the cash on delivery option, so I will be able to select on and off. So if I selected off, it will not be shown on the front end to the customers, the cash on delivery option. Here's the loyalty points option, so I can also create the loyalty points, or it will be for the customer benefit. So if I click on this off section, there are no loyalty points available for the customers. This is for the marketing purpose. Now moving on further, here are the app URLs, and over here we can see the customer app URL, driver app, the customer app iOS URL, and the driver app iOS URL. This is the social media platform. So this is the social media URL that has been set from the backend. So there are three social media IDs, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Now moving on further, we can see the social media login and sign up. Here we can see the Facebook information, the client ID, the secret key, the callback URL on the social media, the Google account, the Apple account, and here are the API keys of all Google Map, Mailgun, and Twilio and Firebase. So here are the API keys that will be admin can set the API keys of the Google Maps, API Android keys, iOS keys, the Mailgun API keys for the email notifications, the Twilio API keys for SMS notifications, and the Firebase for the push notifications. And admin will be able to select, now moving on further, admin will be able to select the tips option that will be select for the delivery boy, while the customer will be able to do the payment. So admin will be able to set the tip over here, and I can also add another sections, the customer custom tip, that will be added from my side. This is the commission transfer. So this is the online transfer, is only applicable if you are using Stripe Connect. So basically this is the commission transfer option, which will be when the customer do the payment, the commissions will be automatically transferred to the vendor as well as driver. So if I click on this online button, I will be able admin will be able to select the payout schedule of the vendors and the drivers. Admin can select the scheduled days when the payment will be reflected on their wallets. Admin will be able to view the account details of the account number, account name, bank account, routing number. Admin will be able to add the account number, delete the account number from the side. Here's the help and support section. Admin will be able to put the mobile number, the email ID, WhatsApp number over here for help and support. And here's the notification section. We can see admin will be able to click on the notification sections. So if I click on this on or off button, the notification will be done on the admin side or for a particular order that has been placed. This is the vendor notification. So when a vendor receives a particular order, so a vendor will be able to view the notifications, the SMS notification he will be able to get from this section. Now moving on to the order sections. So here are the general settings of the order. As an admin, I'll be able to select the delivery area of the orders. I will be able to view and edit the delivery area takeaway for the orders, the delivery area for drivers, and delivery per request, drivers per request. I will be able to select the delivery mode like takeaway and delivery from this section. Moving on further, it's the order schedule section. So on the order schedule, admin will be able to click on this toggle and able to active and inactive the order schedule. Here's the enable delivery time slot. If I click on the on section, time slot will be available on the platform. Now moving on further, here we can see the delivery fees. So here's the base price of the delivery fees the admin can set, and admin will be able to select the price per kilometer from this section, and price per minute admin will be able to write down over here for the waiting time or any other things. So now moving on to the next section, that is tax level. So I will be able to select the tax, like if the tax is from the admin side, admin will select the tax level and the tax amount. And if I click on the advanced settings, admin can select the tax name, the percentage of the tax, and add it from the side. Admin can also select the tax level from the vendor side, so it will be managed by the vendors. So the commission over here, so admin will be able to manage the commission of vendor and delivery boy on a particular order. So I can see that the admin has set 70% commission for the vendor, so 30% commission will be given to the admin and 10% commission for the delivery boy on a particular order. So here's another option, that is vegan filter active. So if there are specific restaurants who only cook vegans, so I can select the vegan option over here and it will be shown to the customers on the mobile application front end. So now moving on further, the SEO settings, the titles, the meta keywords, the meta descriptions for the SEO of the platform, that has been done by the marketing team. So here's the complete information of the admin panel, and this is for the this was all. Thank you so much.